What I wish I knew when I started my business. Remote monitoring and management, or RMM, is a game changer. Let's break it down. RMM stands for Remote Monitoring and Management. Think of it like having a super handy helper for your computers. With RMM, you can check the health of your systems, install updates, and even fix problems, all from one dashboard. It's like having a bird's eye view of your entire network. Why is this cool? Because it saves time and reduces headaches. Instead of running around fixing each computer individually, you manage everything remotely. Imagine spotting issues before they become big problems. That's RMM in action. It keeps your tech running smoothly so you can focus on growing your business. So the next time someone mentions RMM, you'll know it's your tech superhero, keeping everything in check. Pretty neat, right? Thanks for watching, and happy managing.